Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add animations to your slides on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the first icon down below, which is the home page. So now at this section you should select from your presentations that you have created and tap on the one that you would like to work with. Now you should click on this icon at the top of the screen, which is indicated by a small pencil image and the letter A. Click on it again till you find this home category in the middle of the screen. Tap on animations, and as you can see there are so if you tap on the text box, you are going to see that you have the ability to add entrance effects, such as these basic ones like blinds, dissolve in, peek in, and so on. You have these other effects. You can also add emphasis effects organized into a bunch of categories, and the exit effects as well. So feel free to add any of these by simply clicking on the relevant one. And here you have also effect options such as the direction of the effect, like a cross going to the bottom, to the left, right, or to the top. And also you can select the sequence of your effects, like as one object, all at once, or by paragraph. So if you are done with selecting all these information concerning your effects that you have added to your slides, all you have to do is clicking on the Done button in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby saving all of the changes and effects that you have inserted into your presentation. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.